Hello friends, today we are discussing 11 best keyword tracking tools for 2025. Tried and reviewed, so let's start our topic. There are lots of SEO keyword tracking tools and picking the best one for you can be challenging. This list of tracking tools runs through 11 platforms including pricing, who I recommend them for, and notable tools features. Best keyword tracking tools. I tracked 30 keywords for each tools. Expect for Google Search Console to see which features I liked best and how each tool compares. Here's what I found. Semrush. Best for marketers, SEOs, and agency professionals who want accurate, in-depth data work that's easy to understand and personalized to their sites. Free basic version available, yes. Pricing Pro. $139.95 per month, Guru $249.95 per month, and Business $499.95 per month. Free trial pay period 7 days. Semrush position tracking tools lets you monitor daily search engine ranking changes across a set of custom keywords for specific devices and locations down to the zip code, and it integrates with Google's Local Studio for those who want to build custom reports. Besides displaying standard ranking changes, position tracking shows you how your competitors are performing. Highlights keyword cannibalization issues when multiple pages rank for the same keyword and have the potential to harm your rankings. Shows which SERF features, easy featured snippets, local packs, AI overviews, etc. appear for a keyword and which ones you rank for. Gives you metrics like share of voice and visibility to help you understand your overall organic performance. Lets you take keywords to organize and keep track of large data sets. And you can set custom email alerts that ping you when content rankings change. Get started with position tracking by following or configuration steps. Once the tool is ready, visit the landscape report for a summary of your progress. You see your top keywords and which keywords had a positive and negative impact. The keywords that saw the biggest increases or drops in rankings during a given period. What I like, Semrush potential growth is an AI traffic prediction metric that grades keywords based on their potential to bring you traffic. Sorting keywords by your port growth helps you spot keywords to prioritize based on how much your traffic cloud increased by optimizing for each keyword. And SERP features chart under the landscape layer tab gives you a quick assessment of your SERP feature performance. Simply click on a SERP feature bar to view of all its keywords, both the ones you rank for and the ones you don't. RFs best for SEOs who want rich keyword data. Free basic version available now. Pricing right $129 per month. Standard $249 per month. RF's rank tracker is a keyword tracking tool that gives you weekly updates for each keyword along with an overall summary including metrics like share of voice, average position, estimated traffic, and SERP features. You can track local keywords down the zip and code level, and you can compare yourself against competitors to potentially spot opportunities where you can outrank your rivals. RF's rank tracker includes information on SERP features like featured snippets, local packs, and knowledge panels. You can also group and review keywords with custom tags, and toggling on multiple URLs shows potential keyword cannibalization issues. What I like how RF's keyword tracking tool includes a parent topic column which helps user consider whatever you can optimize a page for a broader keyword to capture more traffic. You can use this information to determine whether you should consolidate multiple pages together that fall under the same parent topic. I also like that RFs has a visual SERP overview where users can compare today's, which might give you insight during algorithm updates, as you can see which sites are moving up and down. SE ranking best for SEOs who need hyper frequent rank data, e.g., e-commerce, news, or teams running time sensitive SEO campaigns. Free basic version available, no pricing essential. SE rankings rank tracker helps you monitor your rankings across Google, Bing, Yahoo, and YouTube. You can see which keywords you are tracking, how their positions change over time, and whether your pages appear in SERP features. You are able to track keywords using countries, regions, or zip codes. And a drop down tag next to each keyword reveals its ranking history, so you can evaluate performance at a glance. And the insights weight highlights areas you might want to focus on to improve your rankings. What I like. SE Rankings keyword tracking tool has a content score that compares your page to top ranking competitors, so you can identify and prioritize which page to optimize. You can also manually recheck keyword data outside of scheduled updates, so you can get updated data when you need it. For example, you might want to keep a close eye on your rankings if you recently migrated your site. AccuRanker best for SEOs with large keyword datasets. Free basic version available. No. Free trial period 14 days. AccuRanker is a keyword tracking tool that offers keyword position monitoring for your site and competing sites with daily updates. Like other keyword tracking tools, you guide metrics for each other keyword like average position, SERP keyword, and share of voice. AccuRanker also has reports for tracking your keywords within AI overviews. You can also see how many pixels your site appears from the top of the SERP, giving you a clearer picture of how visible your listing really is. This adds important context to your rankings because even if you are in position 2, you might still be buried below ads or other SERP features. What I like AccuRanker's autocorrect feature, which is useful for times when you need to track a keyword that people often misspell, like your brand name. Google automatically auto-corrects content terms. For example, Google automatically corrects a search for Semrush to Semrush. With the autocorrect enabled in AccuRanker, you can see rankings that reflect how Google actually treats the query, giving you more accurate account data when users spell things wrong but still land on your site. And auto tagging is useful for those who needs to organize a large data set. You can set up roles to manage this. Best for teams managing large websites with sensitive content silos. Very basic version available now. Free trial period 7 days. SERP keyword rank tracker tracks keyword across devices and countries. It also lets you monitor your site against the competition. You can see metrics like possibility, like position, visibility, and ranking changes. SERPstat also tracks SERP features like AI overviews and tells you whether you or another domain have holds available SERP features. You can choose to get keyword updates daily on 10 days of the week or monthly. And SERPstats URL in SERP column lets you manually enter the URL for the page you want to rank for you, so you can compare it to which page is actually ranking to help your entity identify pages with a keyword cannibalization. What I like. Subsets storm metric can help you figure out if a fluctuation in your rankings is from an algorithm update or something else. Keyword storms indicate how much the search engine results have changed for a given keyword. For our time, a higher percentage greater than 40% means more rankings have shifted, while a lower percentage means the results have remained actively relatively stable. So say you notice your rankings start fluctuating for an important page, reviewing the SERP storm metric might give you clues as to why. You can also visit Google search status dashboard to confirm a suspected update, and sometimes Google will publish what they hope to accomplish with updates on their blog, so you can adjust impacted content. Venture best for learned marketing teams what want easy reporting. Free basic version available now. Free trial period 7 days. Venture ranks tracking tool offers tracking with daily updates for many countries. On demand updates are also available for standard and professional plans. You get data about keywords triggered SERP features including AI overviews, position search, volume, your ranking pages, and more. And you can see all the pages that rank for each keyword to help you spot potential cannibalization issues. Venture also lets you track entered competitors to see how rivals sites compare to yours. For example, this bar graph shows an aggregate of your site's rankings versus competing sites' rankings. What I like, Ventures has historical keyword tracking data for up to 24 months that's available as soon as you create your campaign. So you can see how your sites has performed for your keywords over time even before you started tracking them. This can make it easier to spot long term trends and measure your past SEO efforts. You can apply this historical data to your competitors as well to see how they performed compared to your site over the last 24 months. Moz Pro best for beginners and teams that can stay on track with weekly updates. Free basic version available now. Pricing starter $49 per month standard, $99 per month medium, 179 per month dollars and large $299 per month. Free trial period 7 days. Most pros keyword tracking tools tracking keyword performance over time for your site and entered competitors giving you metrics like your search visibility and estimated click thought rate, the percentage of users who click a result in the SERPs after saying it, average ranking movement, and more. You can track keywords down the zip and code level, and traditional reports like keywords and features show our keywords SERP features along with the once you rank for and once your entered competitors rank for. Keyword tracking data is updated weekly in Moz, which can be suitable for teams that don't require more frequent reporting. What I like, most pros opportunities tab shows you keywords that might be sending traffic to your site but that you aren't tracking. These are often quick wins. You could improve your rankings with a little bit of optimization, and adding them to your track lets you monitor their performance to make smarter SEO decisions. You can select the checkbox to add the keyword to your tracker and include it in your campaign. Keyword.com best for small agencies and individuals on a tight budget. Free basic version available now. Pricing $4 per month for 50 keywords, $7 per month for 100 keywords etc. Free trial period 14 days. Keyword.com is a rank tracking tool that monitors your keyword positions on Google with updates available daily, weekly, or even bi-hourly. It supports tracking local keywords down to the zip code, and you can also connect your Google Search Console account to uncover keywords you aren't tracking that you might want to. For each tracked keyword. Keyword.com shows data like search intent, rank, SERP features, and more. And you can see visuals of the SERP history to see where your site has ranked at different times and which sites might be overtaking you in the SERPs. What I like. Keyword.com has pre-made reports that can help you make sense of your keyword data, like report that shows your SERP feature performance, so you can determine which SERP features you might want to work on capturing. And the keywords by intent report your keywords by search intent, the reason someone searches a query to help you determine if you need to publish more content with different types of intent. Keywords by intent share percent, keywords ECL traffic. Informational 33.33%, 10 keyword 10 street traffic. Navigational 73.33%, keyword 22. Commercial 63.63%, keyword 19. Transactional 3.33%, keyword 1. For example, say you can run an e-commerce site and see that you don't rank for many commercial or transactional keywords. You might decide to put time toward trying to rank for keywords that can drive more sales. Main goals best for beginners who want actionable, easy to understand data. Free basic version. Yes, available. Yes, pricing basic $49 per month, premium $69 per month, and agency $129 per month. Free trial period 10 days. Mongols SERP voucher is a keyword tracking tool that provides daily updates and lets you track keywords at the city or designated market area DMA level. You get information for each keyword, including current rank, change in rank for one period to the next best with rank within a selected time frame, search volume, and estimated visits. And when you click into a keyword, you can get detailed information like how your rankings change over time, ranking URLs, SERP features, and terms, search volume history. Additional metrics like top tell you how many pixels from the top of the page a result is, and cough coverage shows how much space your results takes up on the SERP. More coverage often from elements like site links usually means higher visibility, which called lead to better click-through rates. You can use the coverage metrics to spot opportunities to add schema markup code that helps search engines better understand your site, that makes you eligible for an expanded search listing. What I like Mongol's performance index metric, a predatory score that blends keyword positions and search volumes into a single number to give you a high level view of your organic performance. Because the performance index is weighted by both ranking position and search volume. It's not just a simple average, and high impact keywords used with higher volume or better rankings influence the score more. For example, increasing performance index score likely means you are gaining stronger positions for high volume keywords, the ones most likely to drive meaningful traffic. It can be a quick way to gauge whether your SEO efforts are moving in the right direction. Nozzle best for advanced SEO teams that want large amount of data for their tracked keywords. Free basic version available. No free trial period for 14 days. Nozzle is a keyword tracking that provides a highly detailed view of your search performance. It goes beyond position tracking and accounts for your placement in the SERPs by measuring how far your site appears from the top of the page in pixels, which amounts for elements like ads and calls. You are also see whether your result appears above the fold, meaning before the user has to scroll, how much of the SERP you a copy and key performance indicators such as estimated for traffic and click-through rate. You can track keywords are down to specific night routes, and competitor tracking gives the team data they need to understand how visible and competitive their brand is in search results. Nozzle stores all your data definitely, making it ideal for tracking millions of keywords over time. What I like. Nozzle tracks your entire brand, not just your website, so you can get a sense of how much of the first results page you can own. For example, Nozzle automatically tracks different branded social profiles, no additional setup required. Below we can see what keywords Semrush LinkedIn profile ranks for. Google Search Console, best for beginners and site owners who want basic performance insights. Free basic version available, yes. Pricing free. Free trial period not applicable. Google Search Console (GSC) is a free tool that helps you monitor your site's presence in search results. GSC shows keyword data such as keyword which keywords your site ranks for and your specific ranking position, the number of impressions and clicks each keyword services receives, click thought rate to help you understand how often click on your listings, changes in keywords ranking over time so you can track SEO progress. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching my video.